Welcome to the part 3 of this series, and in this video we are going to be looking at Zen of Python. So before we start, what I just need to do, I will create a new file here. New file. I will call it part3.py. So I'll be writing any code for this part in this file. So now, what is Zen of Python? Zen of Python is a collection of guiding principles you put into consideration when writing your Python code. So it's just guiding, like guidelines you take into consideration when writing your code. So Zen of Python is authored by Tim Peters and is also part of Python standard library. So it's part of Python standard library in the sense that it's something you can import. It's part of Python itself. So to access the Zen of Python, open your terminal, invoke your Python interactive share by typing Python on your terminal and press enter. So when your interactive share display like this, what you just need to do, write import this and press enter. So you will be presented with the lists of the Zen of Python, which is the guiding principles. So you see, these guiding principles help you to write better code, help you to write a cleaner code, a more maintainable code. So these are the guiding principles. You can just take your time to go through them. So you see, beautiful is better than ugly. Your code should not be ugly, it should be beautiful, right? Like if I should come to my terminal, my code editor, if I say something like give space like this and I say name is Isaac, then I come here, I say surname is James. So you see, this is not beautiful, but at least if we should put it like this, it's more beautiful. Now I would have used functions to give this, to write examples here, but because we have not gotten to function, I don't want to be introducing things we have not gotten into. So I'll be doing example based on where we are. So you see, if I put this thing like this, it's not beautiful, right? So what it's trying to say is that your coding should be beautiful. So beautiful is better than ugly. Explicit is better than implicit, meaning your code should clearly state what it's doing. You see, simple is better than complex. So your code should be simple, not complex. All these things are self-explanatory. You can take your time to go through them. Complex is better than complicated, meaning even though probably you cannot avoid complexity, you should try to reduce it to the minimum. Flat is better than nested. So your code should not be nested, it should be flat. So flat is better. So sparse is better than dense. When writing your code, give space between them, don't pack them, don't bring them too close to each other. Readability counts. So your code should be readable. Imagine a scenario like this. If I should clean this one, if you say n equals to 40, this is not readable. But if you say number of users equals to 40, this is readable, right? So your code should be readable. So you should just take your time to go through them. They are just things you put into consideration when writing your Python code. So I will see you in the next video.